In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to back up your data on Notion. This is a crucial task to ensure that all your notes, tasks, and important information are safe and secure, no matter what happens. Backing up your Notion workspace can give you peace of mind, knowing you have a copy of your critical data tucked away for safekeeping. Let's dive right in. The first step is to open your Notion workspace. You can do this by launching the Notion app or visiting the Notion website on your browser. Make sure you're signed in with an account that has access to the data you wish to back up. Once you're in your workspace, you're looking for the side menu on the left-hand side. Depending on your current settings, you might need to expand this menu by clicking on a small arrow or a hamburger icon, typically located near the top corner. Now, navigate to the Settings and Members tab. You can usually find this by clicking on the Settings option, often represented by a gear icon. The gear icon is a universal symbol across many applications, indicating where you can configure options, so it's easier to spot. In the settings, look for the section labeled Settings Members. Within this section, you'll find the Export All Workspace Content option. This is where you'll perform the backup. Select this option, and you'll be prompted with different formats for exporting your data. You'll see choices like HTML, PDF, and Markdown CSV. For a comprehensive backup, choose the HTML format, as this is typically the most accessible and retains most of the original formatting. Click on your preferred option, and Notion will begin compiling your data. Depending on the size of your workspace, this might take a few minutes, but don't worry, this is perfectly normal. Once the export process is complete, you'll be able to download a zip file containing all your workspace data. This zip file will be saved to your computer's default download location, usually the Downloads folder. Make sure to go to this folder and double-check that the file is there. You might want to extract the contents of this zip file and keep it organized in a dedicated backup location, like an external hard drive, cloud storage service, or any particular directory you have set up for backups. And that's it, you've successfully backed up your Notion workspace. Remember to perform regular backups, especially when you've made significant changes or additions to your data. This way, you always have a recent version to revert to in case anything goes wrong. I hope you found these steps easy to follow. Stay organized, and happy Notioning!